Yeah. No. I don't know what's wrong with my hair today. Like, let's do this. Yeah. Hi everyone. If you're new here, welcome. If you aren't, then welcome back to my channel. My name is Anushka. I am Anushka, and today I'll be doing a full face makeup look just by using a eyeshadow palette. I know it's crazy, right? But back then these kind of content were super trendy, like in 2016 or 17. Yeah. And I was like, why not trying them out today, like in 2024? So yeah, I'm doing this challenge. Like, I'm gonna do my full face makeup just by using a eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use eyeshadow as a foundation, eyeshadow as a concealer, as a base, as a whatever. So without wasting any single second, let's just begin with the video, or let's just begin with the challenge. I'm super excited. I just wanna I just want to see like how it will turn out. So yeah, so for today's video I'll be using these. So the reason why I'm using this palette today is this is the only palette I have. This is the only palette I own. Maybe it's so obvious, that's why I'm using this. So yeah, this ये कुछ ऐसा लगता है, अंदर से ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. Since it's the only palette I own, इसलिए मैं इसे बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ, इसीलिए ये थोड़ा सा मेसी है अंदर से. I hope you won't mind it. For the foundation, I'll be using, like, my skin tone is warm, so I'll be using these two as like base, I guess. आई होप ये अच्छा लगे. मुझे एक्चुअली में देखना है कैसा लगेगा. लाइक आई हैव नेवर ट्राइड समथिंग लाइक दिस बिफोर. Oh shit, I do have a mirror. I do have a mini mirror. पता नहीं मैं क्यों बोल रही इसके बारे में. मेरे पास है mini mirror. This is my mirror. Sorry. This is my mirror. This is my mirror. Yeah. So I have this mirror. पता नहीं मैं इसके बारे में क्यों भूल जाती हूँ हर बार इसको. I don't know why. ठीक है. It's not that bad. Like नप जाना. It's not that bad, but not that good also, because obviously it's not foundation. So I'm just hoping for the best. And one more thing, like I don't know, ठीक है, आई डोंट नो कि कौन सा ब्रश क्या रोल प्ले करता है. लाइक कौन सा ब्रश फाउंडेशन के लिए और कौन सा ब्रश जो है किसी और चीज़ के लिए. कंफ्यूज अबाउट इट. आई एम सुपर कंफ्यूज अबाउट इट. लाइक मुझे नहीं पता है सच में. इट्स नॉट गुड. लाइक कुछ काम नहीं किया इसने. लग नहीं रहा मैंने कुछ लगाया भी है. लाइक यू नो सेम ही तो लग रहा है मेरा फेस, है ना. I don't know. मेरा फेस सेम ही लग रहा है. मुझे सेम ही लग रहा है. पता नहीं, थोड़ा पाउडर लग रहा है. बाकी तो बस सेम ही लग रहा है. For concealer, I guess I'm not good with shades, so I don't know. But for the concealer, I'll be using. Let's go with this. I don't know. It's a highlighter, not concealer. I will use this one. I'm done with the concealer, I guess. काम चला हो गया. मेरे को कुछ खास अच्छा लग नहीं रहा है. ठीक है. Or for the bronzer, I guess I'm gonna go with this one. I don't know, आपको दिख भी रहा है, पता नहीं क्या. And I'm gonna go with my eyebrow. For eyebrow, I'll be using this dark brown shade. You know, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to do much with my eyebrows because I just need to fill up the blank space. That's all. I don't really do anything extra. Oh my god, I do have this mirror. Oh my god. Brown one is not working for my eyebrows, so I'm gonna go with black one. Was that okay? I don't know. I don't know. ठीक है, I don't know. I don't know. मेरे कुछ पता नहीं, ठीक है. ये फिर भी मतलब फिर भी ठीक है. Yeah, this one is kind of good, but this one, no, not this one is not good at all. I'm gonna go with this brown shade to line my lips. Yeah. मैं यहाँ पे 3 शेड को मिला के ब्लश बनाने वाली हूँ और उसको अप्लाई करने वाली हूँ. मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही प्रोडक्ट ले लिया था तो मैं उसे डस्ट ऑफ कर रही हूँ ताकि हार्श ना लगे. मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा अपने हाथों पर भी रब करके देखा ताकि चेहरे पे कुछ भी हार्श ना लगे. So yeah guys, this is the full look. Like, it's not that good, but it's not that bad. Like, nappajana, like, I don't know why, but I'm hating my eyebrows so much. Like, why do I look like a Hage Maru? Like, why do I look like Hage Maru? Like, eyebrows, my eyebrows, it literally look like Hage Maru's eyebrows. So yeah, I hope you guys will manage with that. And yeah, this is how my makeup turned out. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, so subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you'd get notified. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.